Hey everybody! Welcome back for another video here from your herbalist all the way up in lovely Spokane, Washington. My name is Brian Murphy, and today we're jumping head on into the first video in our kitchen series. And a lovely start today, we got cardamom. So this is just going to be an overview of some of the qualities and characteristics of cardamom and how we can kind of get more familiar with it, how it's going to benefit us, how it's going to help us assimilate food, help our digestion, and hopefully influence you and encourage you to want to go out and purchase this and use it in your own cooking. So cardamom actually is a relative of ginger in the Zingiberaceae family. So it's a common food that has its roots in India and is known for its ability to enhance our digestion. It does this partially by, dispelling gas, bloating, quelling an upset stomach, but it also has its ability to reach further outside our digestive system by benefiting the lungs. It does this by clearing mucus and strengthening the lung tissue. Throughout making this video, I feel like I haven't been speaking very clearly enough. I've had just a slight coating in my mouth that feels like there's a little bit of phlegm or mucus that's just accumulated, just enough that I feel like it's a little bit of a hindrance. And so I've been drinking water in splashes here to try and wash it out and to clear my mouth a little bit so I can feel like I'm speaking more clearly. But that hasn't really been working, and so I decided to take a few pinches of this cardamom that I have here in front of me, toss it in my mouth and chewed it up a little bit, and already I can tell a significant difference, not only in my mouth, but it's permeating up into my nasal cavity, clearing my nostrils a little bit. I feel like I'm opening up, my nostrils are clear, my mouth is not dry or dehydrated from doing that by any means, but just, as I said before, it's cutting through the mucus, opening things up for me. And on the plus side, I also feel like I have nice, minty, fresh breath along with it. The tastes associated with cardamom are, one, being pungent, which is composed of fire and air, and which tells us that this herb is going to be hot, light, expanding, energizing. But it also contains sweet taste. So sweet being made of earth and water. These two tastes combined, pungent and sweet, would seemingly be useful for someone that is a Vata type or Vata dosha, which would be that, the air body typing. So this would bring warmth, moisture, grounding, which would actually be very comforting for someone of a Vata constitution, being the exact opposite of those things, which would be erratic, light, cold, dry, things of that nature. One thing I want us to be conscious of here regarding cardamom is that where it is still very much a safe food for us to consume on the regular and well tolerated by many people, on the Ayurvedic temperature scale, cardamom is hot. And we remember that their scaling goes hot or cold. Now, in excessive amounts, cardamom will increase Pitta dosha. Now, it will take a lot of cardamom in order to really accumulate that over time, but if you are maybe showing excessive signs of Pitta, such as ulcers, maybe cardamom is not necessarily right for you to be consuming, at least at that time. One application method here of cardamom actually comes between Ayurvedic medicine and traditional Chinese medicine, where simply by steeping the cardamom seeds in milk helps to neutralize the mucus-forming properties of the milk. Now we take that concept and we can start applying that to other things that would be accumulating of mucus that are fairly common in our diets. So maybe looking at cheese, for example, as something that would accumulate mucus, or sweets of any kind. And we're talking sweet taste here, not sweets as in candy necessarily, even though that could be quite beneficial still. We could even think of certain fruits, such as pears, for example. These are just a couple ideas to get you thinking more about combining your foods and how you can start balancing some of the effects that you even may be noticing in your diet. Maybe you're getting too gassy from some of the foods that you're eating. By incorporating cardamom into your cooking, it will be able to dispel some of the discomfort that comes with it, because not only is it dispelling of gas, but it is relaxing to the digestive tract. I hope I piqued just a little bit of curiosity into your minds here today about how we can start incorporating things such as cardamom here into our diets more in our cooking. That way we can start expanding our horizons with the food that we consume on a regular basis, but also start feeling the effects of that more, so we become more aware of our connection to our bodies. And with that, I want to thank you for checking out the video today. If you're interested in this content, be sure to like and subscribe for future updates and to learn more in the world of herbal medicine.